Every single day, we make thousands of small choices. And you know what? These small choices are what define who we truly are. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Syifa Rayhan Ilahi, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you why akhlak is the key to a fulfilling life. Happy watching! The Prophet Muhammad SAW said, I was sent to perfect noble character, not just to teach prayer, but to transform human character. Our faith is incomplete without akhlak. Worship without akhlak, it's like a smartphone without battery. Looks good but don't work. Before we dive deep, we need to understand these 3 concepts first. This is super important. What's the difference? Morality, ethics, and akhlak? Morality is societal rules that change over time and place. Example, in Indonesia, wearing a tank top to campus might be ok, but in Japan or Korea, big no. This is morality relative and context dependent. Ethics is a system based on logic and reason. Example, doctor cannot disclose patient secrets. This is medical ethics, logical, rational, but not necessarily spiritual. And akhlak is character sourced from divine revelation. This is not following trends, it's not just logic, this is Allah command, absolute and eternal. The Quran gives clear guidance about how we should treat others. In Surat Al-Hujurat ayat 13, Allah says, All mankind, indeed, we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes so that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. This verse reminds us that diversity is not a reason to look down on others. Our values is based on race, status, or wealth. It based on taqwa, our piety and righteousness. The Prophet Muhammad SAW also said, None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. That means real faith shows in how we treat others with love, fairness, and sincerity. Akhlak toward fellow human beings is about showing kindness, respect, and empathy to everyone, not only Muslim. It starts at home. Toward parents, we show gentleness and gratitude. The Quran says in Surat Al-Isra ayat 23, Wa qadha rabbuka alla ta'budu illa iyyahu wa bil walidaini ihsana. Yang artinya, and your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, and that you show kindness to your parents. In society, akhlak means being honest in business, respecting neighbors, and helping those in need. Even something as simple as smiling at others is considered charity in Islam. Akhlak also includes being fair in judgment, humble in success, and compassionate toward those who are less fortunate. For example, when you see someone struggling, whether it's a classmate, a worker, or a stranger offering help, even a few kind words can mean so much. That's the spirit of rahmah, mercy, and compassion that Islam teaches us to spirit. Of course, it's not always easy. The hardest battle is not with others, but with ourselves. controlling our ego, staying patient when others test us, or doing good even when no one appreciates it. That's true strength. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The strong person is not the one who can overpower others, but the one who controls himself when angry." Bukhari and Muslim. So, if you can stay calm when you're upset or forgive when you're hurt, you're already showing the highest form of akhlak. Remember, good character is just about what we say, it's about who we become. When we treat others with love, honesty, and mercy, we reflect the light of Islam in everyday lives. To conclude, akhlak toward fellow human beings is the soul of Islam. It connects faith with the real action. The Prophet ﷺ was sent not only to teach prayer and fasting, but to perfect noble character. And that's our mission too, to be kind, fair, and compassionate in every part of life. So, let's start small, smile more, speak kindly, help others, and forgive easily. Because, as the Prophet said, the best of people are those who are most beneficial to others. Thank you for watching. May Allah guide us all to become people of good akhlak and soft heart. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.